It's already Sunday morning, around 6 a.m. I preheated the wood-fired oven to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. I decided to cook all our meals there for the day. For breakfast, we're having a quick 5-minute ShakShuka with Italian sausages. For lunch, we're having grilled ribeye steak, and for dinner, we'll enjoy cheesy meatballs. But before we jump into the cooking process, I need you to like this video and hit the subscribe button. It's 7 a.m. and let's get started by cutting the Italian sausages. Then, we shovel the fire onto all the side surfaces. And place the oiled cast iron to absorb the heat. Next, we chop freshly picked tomatoes into small cubes. We take out the cast iron and add the ingredients, letting it cook for 5 minutes. The temperature is already at 800 degrees Fahrenheit. We add salt and pepper. Then break some eggs and put it back in the oven for another minute. According to my experience, it's one of the top breakfasts. While preparing my coffee, the breakfast is almost ready and I take it out from the oven. It's all set to go, and I'm finishing it off with some fresh parsley. Let's take a bite and delve into the magical world of Mediterranean taste and culinary. It's now midday, and it's time to grill some ribeye steaks for lunch. The wood-fired oven is still burning, and we've just added some logs. We thread the ribeye steaks onto skewers along with unchopped tomatoes and onions. Now, it's time for salt and extra virgin olive oil. We brush it all over the ribeye and veggies. I designed a steel construction specifically for this video. To hang up the skewers, we place them on the top and let them battle the fire for a couple of minutes. Then turn it down for an additional 2 minutes. It's a beautiful sight to see a skewer hanging from above with the fire dancing below. Now, let's take it off the skewers. I'm going to go ahead and split this steak in half. We want to cut against the grain, and it's cooked to medium rare, just the way I prefer and adore. Let's move on to constructing our sandwich. We brush our tortilla with cheddar sauce and place the tasty ribeye slices on top. Then, we add some pickles, grilled tomatoes, and onions. Finally, we wrap it up and cut it. Now the sun is about to bid farewell, and it's time for dinner. Here, we have ground beef. We start by pouring olive oil and seasoning it with salt, thyme, and rosemary. Then, we use our hands to mix all the ingredients together, making sure everything binds well. We roll up about 2 ounces of meatballs, ensuring they all have the same weight and size. Next, we oil the cast iron skillet and place the meatballs on all sides. After 5 minutes, we take it out and add some peeled Italian tomatoes and a touch of salt on top. Then, we let it cook with the flames. We grate some high-quality mozzarella cheese and sprinkle it all over the cast iron. Allowing it to melt for another 5 minutes until it's ready. And here we go, the meatballs are bursting with a magical taste that fills the air. Some fresh parsley will take it to the next level. As you can see, I've spent almost the whole day cooking these wonderful recipes for your enjoyment. Therefore, I deserve a like, a subscribe, and indeed a comment on this video to let me know your favorite recipe today.